In today's video, I'll teach you how to merge two PDF pages into one page. So if you want to do that, first of all, what you have to do is go to the desired destination and select the PDF. Now right click on the PDF where you would like to merge two pages into one. After you do that, what you have to do is click on this option open with. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option Google Chrome. Now after that, you can see over here the PDF will be opened in the Google Chrome. You can see over here I want to merge these two pages. So if you also want to do that, what you have to do is click on the print icon that you can see on the screen. Now after that, select the option for destination. Make sure to select this option save as PDF. Now after you do that, select this option for pages per sheet. Now click on this option too. Now after you do that, you can see over here these two pages will be merged. Click on this option save that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be able to save the file. Simply give the file the name and click on this option save. Now after you do that, the PDF will be saved. What you have to do is simply go to the destination where you saved the PDF. Now you can simply open the PDF file. Now you can see over here the pages has been merged. Two pages has been converted into one. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you merge two pages of PDF into one page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.